how your day feels incomplete without your daily dose of coffee? Well, what if we tell you that even your hair sometimes needs that pick-me up which can only be provided by coffee? It's true. Today's video will discuss 5 amazing coffee hair mask recipes for common hair care problems. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Because we love giving you great beauty advice, we have listed 5 benefits that a cup of coffee can provide your hair and also some ways you can incorporate these lovely ingredients in your hair care routine. 5 ways to use coffee for hair care problems. Number 1. Prevents hair loss. Male pattern baldness is a common condition in men, where they start losing hair as an effect of weak hair follicles. Slowly, the growth cycle of the hair gets affected, leading to slow but sure balding. Coffee powder for hair contains caffeine, which helps prevent this, as it stimulates hair follicles, triggering stronger growth. Wash your hair with brewed coffee twice a week to restore hair in no time. Number 2. Coffee for hair growth. Caffeine blocks the effects of DHT, which has been proven to include baldness and damaged hair follicles in both men and women. Washing your hair with coffee significantly increases follicle stimulation, which leads to faster hair growth. Number 3. Improved hair texture. Coffee for hair strengthens them from within, improving the overall quality and texture of it. Caffeine, when applied to hair directly, is absorbed by the follicles, making them softer and shinier instantly. Procedure. Just rub a palmful of coffee into your scalp and rinse it thoroughly. Keep for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. This will help seal the nourishment within the hair and also give it that added softness. Number 4. Improve scalp circulation. A great stimulant for both skin and hair. Coffee oil helps improve the circulation in your scalp, making your hair grow out faster and healthier. Procedure. Choose your favorite hair oil and roast in it a quarter cup of coffee beans at low heat for about 2 hours, making sure to stir it occasionally so it doesn't burn. Save the oil, store it in a jar, and use once a week. Number 5. Exfoliate scalp. Whenever you feel that your scalp is feeling really oily and grimy, a coffee hair mask is all you need. It scrubs off the dead skin cells and also keeps your scalp clean and fresh. Plus, every time you scrub away the dead skin, new cells will push out thicker, stronger hair. Have you ever known the benefits of coffee for hair? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.